Hello everybody, this is Uncle Jimmy once again with Jimmy's Train Station and Travel Adventures, and today me and my family are in Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg, Tennessee area, and we're in Sevierville, and take a nice little country ride out to English Mountain. It's about a 30-minute drive outside Pigeon Forge, and we're at the English Mountain Trout and Grill. You hook them, we cook them. So you catch your own trout here, and then they cook it for you and prepare it 3 ways. They got fried, they got peppered, and or lemon peppered and blackened, so you can get your trout fixed in 3 ways. Then they got sides, of course. They also have gem mining. My son's going to do that, give it a shot. So I'm gonna have the family catch their own meal today, and we're going to enjoy it, and I'm gonna have you follow us on this adventure. Ask if you're watching this, please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave comments, suggestions as always, and follow us on this adventure as we go have us a little bit of adventure and fun and catch our own meal today at the English Mountain Trout Farm here and Grill outside Sevierville and Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Follow us. So as you can see, they got a little trout pond here where you catch your trout. You gotta wait for them to bite and catch them, and once you catch them, they clean them up for you and cook them. And they got little places to sit outside here and eat, and they got places inside. So follow us on this adventure.
Okay, so what we got going, this is not like normal fishing. If you do a lot of fishing in your life, you know, what do? We set the pole up, right? We want to try to snag them. Well, we can't do that today. We have to actually do the opposite of everything that you're accustomed to. I know it's going to be very hard, but we're going to get it. So what I need y'all to do is set your poles either to the right or to the left with a hook. When you get one on, there'll be a splash in the water. That's your telltale sign. Hey, I need to drop my pole down and walk backwards. That's going to bring the fish back with it, and it's going to make it a lot easier on the guys that are out here catching, and we'll get you your fish as quick as possible that way. Another thing is, we're going to give y'all each a bucket. Please keep up with your buckets, and when y'all get done with your poles, please hand them to me or him, and we'll get them all squared away, and we'll get your dinners back and forth. As far as like when you catch a fish, yell fish on. A lot of the times, if anybody is waiting, normally we are short-staffed, but today we're good on on our catchers, so there shouldn't be a lot of wait time. So, but normally like if we're running an order in or whatever, and we come out and somebody's already caught the fish in between that time, which it normally happens that way a lot of times. Yeah, we'll get it out as soon as possible. That's pretty much it. Y'all have fun.
I got 5 poles ready to go right now.
5 poles ready to go. So he's got 3 cast rods, and he's got 2 of the bamboo.
You guys want to fish with the cast poles, or
Who was first?
I'll take a baboon.
Who was first?
We were.
Okay.
You take the baboon.
Yeah, you
Take the baboon.
Okay. Do you want a baboon?
Baboon.
Or a bamboo?
Here's the first. Here's y'all gonna be on bucket right here.
Pick up the...
All right.
Keep it up with this bucket for me.
Yeah, when you put it in the water.
There you go, Forbes. This is our bucket.
Set it anywhere on the sidewalk.
Okay.
Fat guy. He told me to say that. The fat guy inside.
All right.
Said it's okay for me to go to the other side.
All right, let's go.
You guys need to get your pole.
And he's going to be the action guy, and she's going to go to the other side.
Ready? So my family's getting their poles, and once we get our poles, we'll do our fishing. So it's really crowded today. Usually ain't this crowded. So we're going to do our fishing, and then when our order gets in, then we're going to do our gem mining. Now the meals are like $24.95 a piece. To fish, it's $5 a piece, and the gem mining was $35 for the big bucket, 3 gallons, which is the best bet because it's got the most nicest gems in it.
Thank you. Okay.
So we got our bucket. She got our bucket. All right, here we go.
Hey, Daddy, how does it
So we're all gonna fish from right here. See if we can catch us some trout.
Yeah, so I mean, you gotta love the sport, man, to be able to watch somebody else. That's true.
This should be like fishing a bear.
Well, folks, it's going to be slow fishing, so I'm going to get off here for now, but if one of us catch something, I'll film it. So follow me on this adventure. All right, folks, I've been fishing. My wife got hers stuck here, so I gave her my pole, and nobody's really catching anything. That guy just caught one down there, but it's slow and in between. But you don't have to catch them to eat. It's just part of the experience. So let my wife and kids have a chance to see if they can catch something. So I'll sit here and film a little bit. We'll see what happens.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, not too many people's having any luck right now. So I'm gonna get off here and see how much longer they want to try, and then we'll do the gem mining, or we'll eat first, whichever comes first. So follow us on this adventure. Yep. So you kept the only one that caught one was my son. Me and my daughter and wife gave up. He caught a pretty good one. Pretty good rainbow there. Good job, buddy. Well, I guess.
I'll take. Y'all just wanted that one?
Yeah,
We're gonna take it in.
Yeah, we're just going. You guys want to go in and order food, or do you want to gym mine first? What do you want to do? Eat or gym mine?
Take it in real quick.
All right, we're going to order our food. It's like I said, you don't have to catch a fish to eat it. So we're going to go order our food and try to find us a place to eat. So follow us on this adventure. All right, so we're going ahead and gym mining while we're waiting for our food. Got our fish ordered. My son's gym mine here. We got a 3-gallon bucket. It's like $35. We'll see what he comes up with here. We got a big bucket there tomorrow. So.
Well, I got some green ones in here.
You get some? Oh wow! Look, you got a nice bunch here already. So it's just opened up here, and you can put them in here.
Oh, that's a big one.
You see what he's got so far in there. He got a lot in just that little bit already. So, as you can see, he's already doing good. See if we can get any big ones in here. Let me get over here beside him so you can see what he's doing.
Yeah, that one didn't seem to be the greatest.
Didn't get a lot out of that one, huh?
Nope. Yeah.
I'm sure you'll find some in the next couple of weeks. All right, on to the next. Got quite a bucket there. You ain't even halfway done, are you?
No. Instead of really put a dent into it.
So we'll let him do this scoop, and then we'll wait till the end and see what he got out of it when he gets done. But we'll wait and see what he gets here.
Ooh, I'm really good. Let's go. Got some big ones in here.
You got some good ones. That's pretty.
Yeah.
I like the emerald, the green. Is that what that is, emerald?
No, they're not emerald. There's some sort of one. I think there's some sort of granite.
Granite?
Yeah.
I like the green.
I don't think they would put emerald in here.
Yeah, that would be too much money they'd lose.
Yeah. And
But that's what he's got so far. So I'm gonna set his gems right here, and he can put them in there as he goes. And we'll be back when he's finished. We'll see how much he gets. So follow us on this adventure. Well, we're down to our last scoop here. See if we get anything. Just little ones now.
A little bit.
But he did get some pretty good big ones in there.
Yeah.
I mean, look at that nice blue one right there.
Yeah,
And that one,
got
look at
that
that. That's a pretty one. I don't know what that is, but that's a beautiful
I
one.
have no clue. That was a really good
Have
find.
to look it up on your phone. So hold the bag up so they see how many you got. I mean, that ain't bad. You want to put it into this bag to make it.
Yeah.
Well, there you go, son. So, do you have fun doing that?
Oh yeah, that was really fun.
So for $35, you got a 3-gallon bucket. He did pretty good. Got a whole lot of gems there. So we'll go back, wait on our food, and we'll continue the adventure there. So follow us. Well, we finally got our food. It was an hour and a half wait, but it was really busy today. I got the lemon pepper, and my daughter got the regular, and you got fried.
No, she got black and I got
Oh, she got the black, yeah, and then my son got lemon pepper. So we've ate here before. The food's really good. So we're gonna get off here and eat our meals, and we'll finish up all else on this adventure. All right, folks. So all in all, it was a good adventure. I mean, the food was good. My son said he didn't like the lemon fish too much for his taste. It was a little salty, but everybody enjoyed their food, right? It's just the weight. I think they need to maybe hire a little more people, but they do the best they can. I gotta give them credit. I mean, they had a lot of people here today, and it's a weekend, so it took us about an hour and a half to get our food, but it was worth the wait. The food was good. I like coming here. I recommend you coming if you've never been here before. And they have other food too, like they've got corn dogs and chicken tenders and stuff like that. If your kids don't like fish, they even have salmon patties. I think I've seen some people eat.
I thought it was crab.
Or yeah, not salmon patty. You're right, crab cakes. So all in all, yeah, if you ever get out this way, I'd recommend it. My son had a good time, Jim, mining, and he's the only one caught a fish today. But all in all, it was a good venture. So again, if you get out here, I recommend coming here. So hope you enjoyed this adventure. I ask if you please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave comments, suggestions as always. And this has been Uncle Jimmy and family with Jimmy's Train Station Travel Adventure. So next time, goodbye.